This is another free tool. It's called the Bill of Lading Generator. And in this tool, you got a template. To start, simply hit the Fill Example button and it will populate all these input fields with these parameters. And you can adjust these values based on your needs. Like if I convert this into company, company will be printed. You can also change your email ID to be adjusted. Anything can be changed. So starting with example is easy, and you can also change the customers, and you can change the items written here. Another one is going to be changed. There's a lot of options like COD, prepaid, collect, declared value, and you can change multiple things based on your want. And there is also weight unit from kg to pound, and you can put signatures, modify that, sign it. Everything is included and very well done. Simply hit the download as PDF and you can save that. By the way, I am building this PinFlow app, which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects using AI which pin dashboard these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.